Discord has released another new quest. Yes, I know it's back-to-back. For this one, you will require VPN. Even though I have mentioned so many times that you guys don't need to use Urban VPN if you don't wanna, I get many questions in the comments saying that Urban VPN doesn't work. I mean, don't you know there are other VPNs out there too? As long as it has the US location in it, you're good to go. One more thing, this quest probably work on PC only. So just get any Chrome extension you want for the VPN and enable it to the US location and refresh your Discord page. After scrolling down, you will find a quest from Verizon. If you don't know what that is, it's a SIM card company and maybe internet provider company in the US. They have collabed with Discord multiple times since 2021 for free Discord Nitro, but the downside is only the people living in the US could enjoy the offer. But anywho, it's a 30 minutes watch, so do it. It will expire on the 25th of March. It has a lot of time. Just yesterday, I covered a video on other quests too. If you haven't watched it, do it now and complete those quests while you can. In total, you can get over 5,000 orbs. This is enough to get you around 10 days of free Nitro. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.